Deiz Baby Hair Clippers Quiet Waterproof USB Rechargeable by Deiz is one of the best sellers among baby hair clippers products. Professional Baby Hair Clipper. Safe and comfortable. This professional hair clipper is designed for baby. R-shaped round angles designed ceramic blade not harm or scratch the sensitive skin of infants. Ultra-quiet design making the babies feel comfortable and no fear to haircut. You can give your baby a haircut at any time. Whole body washable IPX7 waterproof grade. This baby hair clipper can be used wet and dry. Cleansing will be easier too. USB portable charging. Users can charge this cordless clipper by desktop, laptop, power bank or an AC adapter. Charging 60 minutes could provide 2 hours continuous working time, allowing cutting while charging. A full set of hair tools with 3 attachment guide comb and 1 regular comb, cleaning brush, apron, USB wire. Instructions: 1 button to operate. Parents can safely cut hair for their babies with it at home. Deiz Baby Hair Clippers Quiet Waterproof USB Rechargeable Cordless Electric Silent Hair Trimmer Haircut Kit for Children Kids. Safety replaceable heads. High quality safety ceramic blades resist scratch and round corner. Less noise and low vibration. Being super quiet, babies don't get scary while trimming hair. Guide combs assistance. With setting combs, trimming hair is as easy as combing hair. IPX7 whole body waterproof level. This hair clipper can be cleaned and work normally when its body is dipped in the water for a short time. Charging and plug-in use. Global universal voltage, 5V output short circuit protection, with USB charging slot. Can be charged by desktop, laptop, portable source, etc. Brand: Deiz. Model: D0617. Material: eco-friendly ABS, ceramic blades. Power source: charging and plug-in. Battery type: NIMH AAA 600 mAh2. Adapter: input AC 100 240 V 50 60 Hz, output DC 5V1A. Charging time: 2 hours fast charging. Working time: up to 120 minutes of cordless use. Operating temperature: 540. Size: 138x32 mm. Weight: 115 grams. Package includes 1X D0617 baby hair clipper, 1X regular comb, 1X bevel guide combs, 1X 3mm 6mm guide combs, 1X 9mm 12mm guide combs, 1X hair cutting apron, 1X cleaning brush, 1X blade oil, 1X USB cable, 1X storage travel pouch, 1X instruction. It's more than a kid's hair clipper, all your family need it. All Deiz hair clipper comes with a 45-day risk-free trial and a full 2-year warranty.